Hello. Today we have this power converter, 600 watt. The input is a 12 volt. The output is 120 volt. This is power TECH-ON. Model number is a PS1001. It doesn't work. So the first thing we're gonna, I already did some check on it, but I'm gonna show you what I did so far. So this is the fuse. We're gonna test the fuse. The fuse is good, and so from the fuse we're gonna check the so we start checking the MOSFETs. The MOSFETs here, which was two here, I already removed them, and we check these MOSFETs. So when I check the MOSFETs, well, I'm looking for short. So everything, these two MOSFETs here, there is a short on them. Like if I check it, you can see it's just giving me a zeros, or I can use this. Alright, so these two MOSFETs, they were here when I was testing from here to here. It was giving me a short. So after I removed them, there's no, this is the only problem. Still gonna need to check around that MOSFETs, because sometimes this one they burn, and they burn some other like resistor or diode. Or here we have a diode, and we have a 10 ohm resistor, and we have a 1000 kilo ohm resistor. So this is 10 ohm resistor, 10 kilo ohm resistor is good. And this is 10 ohm resistor is good. I already removed one pin of the diode, as you see, and I removed one pin for this resistor, so I can get some good reading. If you leave them in the board, when you are reading the other resistance in that circuit. So here the diode, and here we have 0.500, and if I flip them, it's got like open line. This means it's good. And let's check the other diode. And the other diode is giving me like low resistance. And if I flip them, the same thing. So this diode here is bad, and I did check the other resistors, they are good. So I'm gonna remove this diode. So that's what is so far. Gonna check the other ones. So this is what I found so far, these two MOSFETs and this diode. I'm gonna look to see if I do have any replacement for these parts here, and come back. Alright, this is the bad part, is this MOSFET. Let's see, the model number is IRF 644, and this diode is IN 4740H. So let's go look for the specs. So this is a diode Zener, is a switching diode, and this is 100 volt and 2 amp. You can see here the current is 2 amp and the voltage is 100 volt. The MOSFET is an N channel. This is 250 volt and 8.5 amp. So the replacement ones that I do have here in stock, I'm going to use is this one. It has 400 volt, is a more voltage, but it's kind of a little bit lower than for the amps is a 6.3, so it's not big. Between 8 to 6.3 is not a big difference. It's just 1 amp, 1 point something amp. And the diode Zener, the one that I found, is 100B. This one here is kind of the same specs, is 100 volt and 2. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you next video.